Can you see that pileated woodpecker? He's on the tree just outside of our window. It's just off the back porch. He's on a basswood tree. That's pretty cool, isn't it? I've never had a pileated woodpecker on a tree beside the house before. You see him right there at the top of the picture, right? Well, he's gone up too far now. Oh no, he's not. If I can get that thing, see him. Well, that's Nancy today with a pileated woodpecker right beside the porch. I know, no hat, stranger.